Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the system of equations above A, B, and C are constants. For which of the following values of A, B, and C does the system have only one solution? Okay, here we have a system of two linear equations in standard form. That is, when I write a linear equation in this form, that is ax plus by equals to c, it is considered to be in standard form. That is, we have x term and y term on one side of the equation, the constant on the other side of the equation. Okay, now before we start solving this problem, let's understand some stuff about a system of two linear equations in standard form. That is a1x positive b1y equals to c1, and another linear equation is a2x positive b2y equals to c2. Here we have a system of two linear equations in standard form. Okay, now let me find the ratio of the coefficients of x. Then I'm getting a1 over a2, and also I find the ratio of the coefficients of y, that is b1 over b2. If this system has only one solution, then the ratio of the coefficients of x and the ratio of the coefficients of y will not be equal, and we don't have to worry about the constant terms. Okay, now let's apply the same stuff in the given system of two linear equations. So now what we have to do is we have to get the ratio of the coefficients of x and ratio of the coefficients of y, because in the given system both the linear equations are in standard form. Okay, now let me get the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is 2 over a, and also let me get the ratio of the coefficients of y, that is negative 3 over b. Okay, since the given system has only one solution, the ratio of the coefficients of x and the ratio of the coefficients of y must not be equal. Okay, now we have to verify the given answer choices one by one. So where I am getting the values for a, b particularly, for which the ratio over here, the ratio here are not equal. Okay, now let me consider the first answer choice. I have a equals to 2 and b equals to negative 3. Okay, now let me plug in a equals to 2 and b is equal to negative 3 over here. When I plug in a equals to 2, I'm getting 2 over 2, and here negative 3 over negative 3. So they must not be equal. So 2 over 2 is 1, is not equal to negative 3 over 3 is 1. Actually 1 and 1 are equal. So this statement is false. So my aim is these two ratios should not be equal, and I plug in values for a and b. But when I use values of a and b in answer choice a, so the value of this ratio and this ratio are equal. So answer choice A cannot be correct. We can reject answer choice A. Okay, now let me verify answer choice B. That is, I have to plug in A equals to 4 and B equals to negative 6. Okay, let me plug in 2 divided by 4 is not equal to 3 divided by, negative 3 divided by negative 6. Okay, here 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. This negative will cancel. 3 goes into 3 one times, 3 goes into 6 2 times. 1 over 2 is not equal to 1 over 2. Again, it's a false statement because 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 are equal. So when I use the values of A and B in answer choice B, so here I get the same value for both the ratios, so that's false. So we can reject answer choice B. Okay, now we can get the values of A and B from answer choice C, that is 6 and negative 9. Okay, then we get 2 over 6 is not equal to negative 3 over negative 9. So 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Here negative will cancel. 3 goes into 3 one times, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. 1 over 3 is not equal to 1 over 3. Again, we get a false statement. So we can reject answer choice C as well. Okay, let me reject. Now let me check answer choice D. That is, I have to plug in A equals to 10 and B equals to 10. So negative 3 over 10. Okay, here 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. I'm getting 1 over 5 on the left side. On the right side, we cannot do any more simplification. We can keep it as it is. That is negative 3 over 10. Okay, now this is true because 1 over 5 and negative 3 over 10 are not equal. So when A equals to 10, B equals to 10, the ratio of the coefficients of x and the ratio of the coefficients of y in the given system are not equal. So for these values of A, B, and C, the given system has only one solution. The correct answer choice for this question is D.